How to make clips on the timeline of Davinci Resolve smaller so that you can see all your texts. So for example, I have this and this text plus the video and the audio, and if I want to see all of them, then my video preview is very small. So how to make these smaller? Here on this toolbar on the left side there is timeline view options. If you click on that one, on the bottom we have track height, and from here you can adjust the video. Drag it to the left to make everything smaller and to the right to make everything larger. So that's how to adjust the height of your text and video inside Davinci. There's another slider for the audio, but I don't want to make the audio totally small. I want to see the wave shape so that I can cut out silence. So I will leave the audio and make the video from large to small. So that's how to make the size of your clips smaller on the timeline of Davinci. And now you can make the preview larger and still see the texts.